Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we'll be doing a double unboxing. Now this is the package that just was waiting for me when I arrived home from work, so I just turned on the camera and started recording. So let's open it. And I'm waiting a couple of watches, but I do believe I know what this is based on the packaging itself. Voila. Wow. I'm really starting to like Spinnaker more and more. I loved the Bradner, and then they sent me another watch that I still haven't done the review of. And then they asked whether I want to try this, which is the Fleuss, and another one which is in that box. And I said, why not? Because a lot of brands contact me, micro brands, about doing reviews of their watches, but unless I like the brand and the pricing and everything, and I consider the watch to be a pretty good deal, I usually turn those down. And I gave Spinnaker a shot with the Bradner, and I was pretty impressed with what you get for your money. So they're starting to grow on me, and whenever they offer a watch for a review, I gladly accept it. And this one is no exception. Let's peel off the protective film. Now the camera is having trouble focusing on this dial, but the dial is pretty good. It's got a texture to it, and although I don't like fake patina hands and markers on this model, it just looked kind of right, so I ordered this one. Okay, let's move on. Look at that dial, and maybe I'll throw in a couple of macro shots of this dial because I believe this is the real star of this watch. I also, when I watched a couple of videos of this on YouTube, I noticed this wonderful finishing of the case. I mean, look at this side brushing, and here you have vertical brushing, and then these two are separated by this polished bevel. And just like all Spinnakers that I handled so far, everything is very well done. And I can't believe this is my third Spinnaker with the crown properly aligned. Let me see if this one is also. This is the first one where the crown isn't aligned perfectly. At first I thought, wow, how did they do that? But then I noticed that other people's Spinnakers in their videos were not having these crowns aligned. I was just lucky. So this is the third one where everything is perfectly aligned. I mean, the crown is perfectly aligned once you screw it in. And this is the first one that proves that it really is a matter of luck. Now, I will be doing natural reviews of both of these after I spend a couple of weeks with them. But already this one really feels massive, and I'll put it on my wrist to see whether it's really too big. There. It is on the border of being too big for me and for my taste. But for a big bulky diver's watch, you kind of expect it to be big. We'll see. Let's try the other one. This one feels and looks kind of smaller, but we'll see once I get it on the wrist. Wow. It appears that it's the same size. Although it kind of, when you're handling it with your hands, it feels smaller, but it's not. Maybe it's thinner. This case is just more massive. It's thicker, I believe. Well, the overall size is the same, so this one has more heft to it. This is more like a massive diver's watch, although the size is the same. And this one is lighter and easier to wear. But I like them both. Anyways, this was the short unboxing, so stay tuned for the reviews. Thank you for watching, and bye.